Okay, the question is how you take the yarn out from the bowl. Either you take it out from the outside, like this one. This is how I take it out from the outside. I have been doing this for so many years, but you see, this thing keep rolling. Now it's like I'm rolling back, so it's not so bad, but it's keep rolling. And when you work, it's just gonna roll all over the place. Look, and if you have a cat, you're gonna get in trouble. And now I'm gonna try another way, okay? And here is my yarn in the project I'm working on right now. And I find it's much nicer when you roll it from the inside. Look, now I'm gonna put my work down here. Because, when you take it from inside, you see? Yeah, like this. This is from the inside. And when you work, it will not going anywhere. It's just gonna stay still. It's easier to work. And you know, I have been crochet for so many years, and now I just realized that taking the yarn from the inside is much easier to handle with the yarn. And it's also, you don't have to run all over the place. If you have a yarn bowl, it's nice, you know, to sit inside. But if you don't have the yarn bowl, still, it's not gonna running anywhere. It's very stable. Look. So now I want to know how you take the yarn out from your roll, from the skein. If you take it out from the inside like me, or take it outside like me in the past year and let it roll, running like crazy. Leave your comment down below, and I would like to know what your thought about it. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and my tip is this is much easier to handle with your project. You already have to think about counting the stitches and not to miss anything, especially if the pattern is complicated and then you have to run after your yarn. This is crazy. So my suggestion is this way, but I would like to know what you thought, and I see you later. Enjoy crocheting and be happy. Woo! And this is me in the past, running after the yarn.